Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes within your edits on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device and you can either work on any new project or open your old ones from your draft. After opening up your project, you will be taken into the timeline and you can add your preferred media from the plus icon. Now, if you wish to use keyframes within your editor, just tap on your clip on which you wish to add your keyframe and then swipe over to the keyframe position. Then you can simply tap on the keyframe plus icon and this will now add a keyframe to this point. After this, you can make any adjustment within your video layer and it will be added within this point. You can also swipe to get into another point in the video and once again tap on the plus keyframe icon and add any other effect that you wish. After choosing your desired keyframe animations and adding all of your points, you can tap on the play button to see a preview of how your keyframes will look. You can go back to the menus and tap on the keyframes to make any changes that you want and it will be applied right away. If you wish to remove any keyframe, whenever you move your position of the vertical bar to the keyframe, you will see the minus icon. You can tap on this to remove your keyframe right away. And there you have it. That is how you can use keyframes within your editor on Inshot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.